Probably the first app a lawyer should download to their iPad when they get it is Goodreader. Goodreader it sort of addresses an issue that the iPad really suffers in, which is the lack of a filing system. You can't put documents in folders like you can on your laptop, like you can on your desktop. And so this creates a file management system for you. It's called Goodreader because it was originally used as a reader. And it is a very good reader. It can read Word documents, Excel files. It can read just about any format of file. But I really like it for its file management capabilities. So if you'll notice here, I have a couple of folders set up on the left. On the right is where I manage everything. So I can add some servers. You notice I've got my Dropbox account. So if I just press here, then it opens up my Dropbox. It's going to redirect me here. And of course, it would want me to log in. So I'm not going to show you or spend the time to get into my Dropbox account. But I've got lots of other options here. I can log into a OneDrive account or Google Drive or Box. A lot of different options for connecting to where your documents happen to be to make it easy to get those documents onto the iPad. But once you've got those documents, we'll open this up, and I've just got a couple of sample files in here. What's nice is that you can do a number of things with the file. So if I press up in the upper right-hand corner, there's a Manage Files button. Once I press that button, then some dots appear to the left of each file, and I select a couple of the files, and you'll notice that the options gray out depending on what I wind up selecting. So I can copy documents, I can move them to folders, I can set passwords on folders here so I can protect them. One of the nice things about Goodreader and another problem of the iPad that it helps to address is the ability to email multiple attachments. If you'll notice, you really can't email any attachments from the Mail app on the iPad. You can email photos, you can forward attachments, but you can't attach a document from your iPad in the Mail app. Here, you can do that. You can press one document or multiple documents, hit the email button, and an email will pop up that has those documents added as attachments to it. So just fill in the two and send it off, and you're able to send email with as many attachments as you want. So a nice feature to be able to use there. Like I said before, it's also a great reader. If I come over to the Reader app, you'll notice to the right side, it has an annotation toolbar, very similar to PDF Expert. It has about the same feature set. I don't think it's quite as strong as PDF Expert, but it will definitely do the job if you want to have one app to review your documents and one app to store your files in. I think this is just fine for that. I think it'll work just fine. It doesn't really have a signature capability the same way, and it can't edit PDF files the same way, but it's definitely an awesome app. It's really very good, and it's on my must-have for what lawyers need in terms of organizing their files to be able to use them either as part of their practice or going to trial or whatever reason that lawyers might need to have documents that are on an iPad.